Imagine this. You pull up to a luxury hotel valet in a car that turns heads. People glance, wondering if you're a crypto millionaire or some tech CEO. But here's the secret. That car? It cost you less than $15,000. In a world where perception is power. Where luxury isn't just about what you drive, but how you carry it. You don't need a six-figure paycheck to look like you belong in Dubai. Today, we're diving into 5 affordable cars that scream exotic, look expensive, and feel like freedom. These aren't just cars. They're your ticket to the high life on a low budget. Stay till the end, because car number 1? It's so clean, you'd swear it was smuggled out of a chic's personal garage. Let's begin the ride. Infiniti G37 Coupe 2008 to 2013. Close your eyes and picture this. A sleek, curvaceous body. Dual exhausts growling with every gear shift. LED taillights that glow like fire in the night. That's the Infiniti G37 Coupe. This machine isn't just a car, it's a statement. You can find one under $15,000, and with a little polish, it rivals $100,000 GTs parked in Dubai's marina. Under the hood? A 3.7L V6 pumping 330 horses. Luxury leather interior. Bose sound. And when you're carving up the highway, you're not just driving, you're arriving. And the best part? It's aging like fine wine. It looks modern, exotic, and dangerously premium. Next up, a car so aggressive, it looks like it was built to outrun Dubai's skyline itself. Number 4, Chrysler 300C, 2011 to 2014. Step aside, Rolls-Royce. Here comes the Chrysler 300C, America's most underrated baller mobile. This car is wide, bold, unapologetically luxurious. Throw on 20-inch rims and a blacked-out grille? You've got a mini Maybach that costs less than a MacBook Pro. Inside? You're wrapped in quilted leather and real wood trim. Outside? You look like you've got meetings in downtown Dubai, and a private jet waiting at the terminal. This is how you fake wealth with style. You're not flexing. You're finessing. And it works. But what if I told you? There's a car that combines Japanese reliability, exotic curves, and street-level swagger? Coming up next, car number 3 is the hidden jewel of the JDM scene, driven by legends, now yours for peanuts. Number 3, Lexus IS250, 2006 to 2013. The Lexus IS250 doesn't beg for attention. It commands it silently. This car was Japan's answer to the BMW 3 Series. And guess what? It won, at least in style, comfort, and long-term value. With its sharp lines, quad headlight design, and that low-slung stance. This is the car that whispers wealth without screaming. It's smooth, luxurious, bulletproof, and reliability. For under $15,000, you get a ride that wouldn't look out of place parked outside Dubai Mall next to a Ferrari, seriously. And here's the flex. You're not just driving a luxury car. You're driving a legacy of excellence. But what if you're after European class with Arabian Night presence? Buckle up, car number 2 is straight out of a Bond film. And yes, it's still under $15K. Number 2, Jaguar XF, 2009 to 2015. This one's for the bold. The ones who dare to own a Jaguar without bleeding their wallet dry. The Jaguar XF is a symphony of British class and Middle Eastern flair. It's sleek, low, sinister, with a grille that looks like it was carved from obsidian. Inside? Mood lighting. Leather seats with contrast stitching. It smells like success. Feels like wealth. And the ride? Silky smooth. You roll this into any valet line, and they assume you're flying Emirates first class. You can grab one for under $12,000, then invest a little into detailing and custom wheels. The result? A car that looks like $80,000 royalty. But we're not done. You want Dubai status? Car number 1 doesn't just look like money. It makes you feel like you own an oil company. Coming up next, the king of affordable luxury. Number 1, Mercedes-Benz CLS 550, 2007 to 2011. The CLS 550 is not a car. It's a land yacht with a V8 heart. Dubbed the four-door coupe, this Merc was built for European royalty and accidentally priced for American dreamers. Curved roofline, wide haunches, AMG body styling. It looks like it costs $120,000. You get it for less than $13,000. Now add a ceramic polish, smoked taillights, and matte wheels. You're looking at a car that belongs in a Dubai penthouse parking garage. And the roar? Oh, the sound of that V8. It's not just an engine. It's a declaration. This is the car for those who don't just want to look rich. They want to feel unstoppable. And when you cruise down the street in it, trust me, no one will guess it cost you less than your last tax return. So let's recap. These aren't just affordable cars. They're lifestyle weapons. Each one is your shortcut to confidence, class, and quiet domination. Because in today's world, looking successful isn't about showing off, it's about knowing the game. And playing it better. You don't need a six-figure salary. You just need strategy, and maybe some good taste. Want to level up without breaking the bank? Want people to look twice when you pull up at the light? Then this is your sign. Pick your car. Make the move. And drive like you were born to rule. Comment below, which one are you choosing? And don't forget, hit that subscribe button because next week, we're dropping the top 5 motorcycles that look like supercars under $7,000. And trust me, you're gonna want to see number 1. Until then, drive smart. Look rich. Live free.